Welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can get Wi-Fi QR code on your iPhone. So guys, you might have noticed that it's really hard to get the Wi-Fi QR code, but with the QR code, it makes it really easy to get Wi-Fi access, and I'm here to teach you how to get Wi-Fi QR code in your iPhone. So guys, let's get right into it. So we need the Shortcuts app. Just go ahead and search for Shortcuts and open it. And once you do so, just look at the lower bar. You just need to go to Gallery, and once you're there, tap on Search here and type in QR Viewer, and now you'll see the second option that says QR your Wi-Fi. Just go ahead and tap there and tap on Add Shortcut. As you can see, I have already a shortcut named QR your Wi-Fi. So guys, once you added the shortcut, just go ahead and find it in your shortcuts tab and open it. And now just go ahead and type in your Wi-Fi name and then type in the password, and you will successfully be able to get your QR code in your iPhone. So guys, that's how you get Wi-Fi QR code in your iPhone. I hope this video is helpful. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.